Hello everyone, welcome to TECHNIA Sciences vlog, BIOVIA Insights Unveiling the Future of Innovation. Join me on this exciting journey as we explore groundbreaking discoveries and cutting edge tech. Let's dive into the future together. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore in BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot. We will be demonstrating how to create a comprehensive metabolism report that showcases original molecules, metabolic transformations, and additional metabolism data. This report is a valuable asset for researchers, analysts, and decision makers. Before we delve into the details, let's understand why a metabolism report is crucial. In pharmaceutical research and toxicology, it's essential to document how molecules transform in the body. This report provides a clear overview of these transformations and other relevant metabolism data. First, you'll need to import the dataset of molecules. Creating this report involves data integration and visualization, making it easier to understand and analyze the metabolic information associated with each molecule. Once your dataset is loaded, you can run the protocol. After running the analysis, we'll have a well structured metabolism report that provides insights into how molecules are metabolized and other relevant information associated with each transformation, such as reactant name, keywords, order, title, comments, and reference. As we explore the report, pay attention to the original molecules and the metabolic transformations. This data can be incredibly valuable for understanding how drugs or chemicals are processed in the body. This metabolism report is a goldmine of information for researchers, toxicologists, and regulatory agencies. It aids in decision making processes, safety assessments, and drug development strategies. BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot empowers us to create detailed and informative metabolism reports, making it easier to understand and analyze metabolic transformations and related data. It's a must have tool for researchers in the field.